Welcome to Avery's World.
I'm Madeline. What's up, Avery?
I don't know. What's up, Madeline?
What's up, girly? How's your day?
Good.
Well, we're about to make an awesome video.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, creepy Avery. What's today?
Well, it's the birthday giveaway video.
Yeah, so the things that you will be getting is 2 sea scooters, 2 scuba fins, 1 for smaller kids, 1 for young adults and teens. There is a Barbie life jacket and a kid bouncy house. Ain't that right, Avery?
Yeah. Boo.
So, Scary Avery, tell us how we enter in the contest.
So, all you have to do is comment your name down below.
So, creepy Avery, we just want to know how to enter the contest. Can you tell us?
Yes. So, all you have to do is comment your name down below.
That sounds simple. Okay. Well, how long will it go on for?
So, as long as we have 50 comments, with their name down below, it will go on for 2 weeks.
It sounds like I have all the information. Okay. So, if you don't comment your name, you don't win anything.
Yeah,
So
you don't
make sure
win
comment your
anything.
name.
So make sure you comment your name like Adeline said.
And you don't have to be a subscriber. Just watch and comment. That's all you got to do. You don't need to be a subscriber or anything. All you gotta do is watch the video. Well, thanks for watching. Right, creepy Emily?
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep. Bye for now.
Doobity doo.